Maybe naman siya dito. Yeah. Ayun guys, nandito na kami sa sa park. Kailangan maglakad. Hopefully the park. And then we need to pay guys $10. Hello guys, we are here in the entrance already. The entrance of the falls. So I think we need to pay first. I think we're getting lost. We're lost already. So yeah, I think we need to pay first, and then we're looking at. Hi guys, ayan, nandito na po kami guys sa sa falls. Falls. Yeah, we go there. Look at that. Oh. Ayan, yan po yung yung sa kabila, yan po yung Canada side. Hey, awesome. I think I can fly the drone here. Look at it guys, beautiful.
Oh, that's Canada side.
Yeah, that's the Canada side.
Canada, look, the needle. Put the needle.
Yeah.
That water?
Uh-huh.
You can drink the water. That's spring water.
Really?
Yeah. That's spring water. That's what they do on water, for the bottles. Yeah, that's perfectly clean water. They come from the mountains, the ice and Canada. Look at there. I'm drinking the water, actually. Yeah. You and me.
What's it? Actually, here was better because you can see the. Ayun guys, nakabili na po kami ng ticket. 50 per person.
Oh, 25 per person.
Oh, 25 pala.
So $50.
25 per person, adult. So yeah, we pay $50. Wow. We go in the boat, guys. Yeah, we're getting wet. Let's take a picture here, guys. Oh, look at that, how beautiful.
Nice.
Take a picture here. Whoa. Hello guys, nandito na po kami. Ayan, we need to wear this blue thingy.
It's a poncho. It's a poncho.
Yeah, we need to wear this so we can go in the boat.
Hey, you
Get
don't have to. You don't mind getting wet.
Oh, I don't want to be getting wet.
Okay, well then. Keep doing boat stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. I think this is more scary.
Here?
Hi guys, we're ready to go. Woo! Uh-oh.
Welcome aboard the world-famous Made in the Mist boat. For your safety, life jackets and the printed instructions on how to wear them are stored and displayed in various locations throughout the vessel. We encourage you to take a few moments to look at the instructions. Life rafts are also carried on board this vessel and will be deployed by our staff in an emergency. Also, we
Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
Right in the middle of the water for the meeting. Jose, where are you?
Guys, si Jose may meeting siya sa work niya. So, nandito kami sa boat.
What the heck?
I know.
Where the heck are you?
So, where Jose? Oh my God, it's cold.
I'm not home working. I'm in the freaking Canada. I look like a glacier, doesn't it?
I know. You never finished.
No, it's on purpose.
Yeah.
There's the water now.
I know.
Actually, all that water, people, dying of thirst, water in other countries.
Oh my God. Guys, we're getting wet. Woohoo!
you can take the water. Oh, right, relax.
Free water.
You know in Canada they have this mountain with a white stuff. That white stuff when you melt, you see the water. From the Canada mountain. They use the water for electricity.
I think we should go there now. I think we can go there. Oh, this. Oh, this is serious now. This is serious one.
Yeah.
Take a picture. Here, just a screenshot. God, look at that. Looks like we have the COVID. Oh my God.
You don't see anything.
I know.
Why not? The real thing. We're in the middle of the Niagara
I
Falls.
know.
The middle of the world.
Oh my God, this is the real one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Picture here.
Oh, jump from there too, inside the building. Yeah. Oh, it's raining.
It's raining.
Hey, but that's gonna kill it. Oh my
Are
God.
you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I have a meeting, 5 minutes. In the middle of
Guys, we're okay.
Niagara Falls.
Wow.
You gotta put the thing.
Pull out your, I know this one here. The picture.
sound effect.
Wow!
You can put your water like there, but it go to the wind.